Oh, look. Why is this flooded? It's done. Look, this place is not easy. Haha, today's small car, big adventure. Let's take a look today. The first is our unicorn car. This guy looks cool. Don't know. Can he cross our big pool of water? The first curve. Not so. There are only 2 wings left. You are too weak. Then let's go to our big mark puddle. We're sitting in the cockpit. Let's see it from the first view. It's too deep. It won't be flooded. Oh, no. We have to ride GA to the end. Then directly charge forward a little bit less. Half a day still in the same place interrupting here. Oh, ciao. Let's turn a circle and come back. Use your ass like that. We're up here. Don't say. You really don't talk anymore. What's going on? It's not easy to get here. You put this circle upside down. Sun Wukong. It's done. Lost the wings. The brain is no more. Now there's only 2 little legs left on it. Pull through, pull through. Look at the blue bull's head in the back. Bulls have noses. What the hell is this? This is a shark car. This shark has a tattoo. Are shark cars better? Hello, is the small car going to customs? Of course. We go into customs. So what are you doing? Oh, throw the beans first. That's it. The little yellow car told them there was a puddle over there. I can't get through. Where's the oil car and the shark car? It's just a puddle. Sharks like water the most. That's right. I'd rather not be afraid of water. You are not afraid of water. Have you asked this great introduction? Large trailers regardless of 3,000 Ra. It's just a ride in the wind. It's not easy to do. Fall out of this pool of water. On the road. Don't say, don't say. This one has 2 brushes. So we landed successfully. I wish everyone success on the shore. But just don't skew. This is a step forward. This is not a small introduction to Sao. Sao, you also blocked here suddenly bad. The narrow road meets the brave winner. Who is brave? Answer this small steering wheel a dozen so. Then start walking forward and pass it directly. Don't you say? This guy is so cold. We have a bigger car. This guy, can he cross the puddle? There is water over there. I know, I don't see why. We've pulled a big board here. This table can build a bridge. It turns out that this big boy, that's the trailer that just came in. It's okay now. He's pulling along a bridge. Can I change lanes? Okay, put this down. Guys, come up here. Take you through? Piglets look like that, and there's something good about it. G a head car and salmon car directly 1 foot car arrived. Hey, oh, what's this hole here? Every time you walk by, you lose something. Equipment press. This is the current purchase is still sow. There's no way a small car would lose that kind of equipment. Then sow bought in the back of our trailer this pulled ween. 2 more steps. Sit down, sit down.